Today, I bring you a strategy for day trading using exponential moving averages, ema, and the Relative Vigor Index, RVI, indicator, which is used for time frames of less than 1 hour in any type of financial asset. In my case, I'm going to be testing it in Bitcoin, in the 30-minute time frame. The first thing we will have to do is select two exponential moving averages. The first exponential moving average, we will put it with 9 periods and in blue. The second exponential moving average, we will make it 100 periods. We will change its color to red, and we will increase its thickness a little. Finally, we will select the RVI. And we will put the value of 21. Also, with the help of a horizontal line, we will mark the point 0 in the RVI. In case you didn't know, the Relative Vigor Index RVI is an oscillator that measures the strength of a price movement. It tries to give an idea of the market's intention to continue in the same direction or reverse the trend. The key point you should analyze is the one where the green line, RVI, and red line, signal, intersect. The signal line, red, gives us crossovers, which should signal a change in trend. If the green line crosses the red line from the bottom up, a buy trade is usually made. And if the green line crosses the red line from top to bottom, a sell trade is usually made. But the RVI indicator is not foolproof. It naturally moves in a wave pattern. We can try adding a rule to restrict trades to the most favorable conditions. Buy only on a crossover signal if the RVI is below 0, and sell only on a crossover signal if the RVI is above 0. Of course, in addition to this, the RVI has other forms of use. Continuing with our strategy, we will make a buy trade when the blue EMA crosses the red one from the bottom up, and also the RVI is above 0. We will put our stop loss below the last low and our take profit at support and resistance zones with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. In the case of wanting to carry out a sell operation, we will carry it out when the blue EMA crosses the red one from top to bottom, and also the RVI is below 0. We will put our stop loss above the last maximum and our take profit in the support and resistance zones with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. Let's look at some examples to make it clearer. And ready? I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.